Hi, I'm Brielle Benyon for Cure Magazine, your guide to every stage of the cancer experience. Here's a look at what's inside our 2019 Immunotherapy special issue. Immunotherapy has been a game changer for patients with cancer and researchers. But how did this type of treatment come to life? This issue takes you back to more than 100 years to see the evolution of immuno-oncology. Next, the first immunotherapy for patients with metastatic triple-negative breast cancer is now approved by the FDA. Read stories of two women who feel a renewed sense of hope and are happy to kick chemotherapy to the curb. And CAR T-cell therapy is the latest type of immunotherapy to offer great rewards, but with great risks. Walk in the shoes of a non-Hodgkin lymphoma survivor as he shares firsthand experiences of what he wished he had known before treatment. To read these stories and more, visit curetoday.com/publications and click on the latest Cure cover. Or ensure you don't miss a story when you subscribe to our new issue alerts. Visit curetoday.com/email-profile for more information. And as always, thanks for reading.